Hey, what's up guys, Jandy here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now you're probably wondering, where's his computer, where's his desk, where's his chair? I am currently at one of the best place in Philippines, which is Boracay. I just want to say sorry for not uploading much. I've been really sick lately, but I'm starting to feel right. But don't worry, I'm still going to be uploading while I'm in the Philippines. It's just gonna take longer than usual. I'm in the Philippines for about 2.5 weeks. Just taking a break. It's always good to take a break, especially when you're working too hard, when you're mentally drained. You just need a break. I'm gonna tell you guys 3 reasons why I'm visiting the Philippines. First of all, for those that don't know, I'm originally from the Philippines, so most of my family are from here. I want to visit my family here in Philippines. And second of all, I want to take a break from what I'm doing. Sometimes you just need to take 1 step back to move 2 steps forward. If you feel like you're not growing or progressing anymore, make sure you take a break, take a step back, analyze what you're doing, and then you can decide how you want to go from there. The third thing why I wanted to visit the Philippines is because I want to meet my team. So if you don't know, I run e-commerce businesses, and most of my VA virtual assistants are from the Philippines. So I'm gonna go meet them at some point and hang out with them, just chill with them and get to know them in person as well. So let's actually talk about the topic of the day, which is how I travel around the world for free. So basically, I use a credit card for all of my expenses, which I recommend everyone to use this. This is one of the best and easiest passive income that you can acquire. Basically, the more you spend, the more points you will get. And for me, my credit card goes towards my airpoints. Now these airpoints accumulates as long as I'm spending using my credit card. I'm pretty sure most of the countries out there have some kind of reward points when you use your credit card, so make sure you take advantage of that. This is one of the easiest way to create your own financial freedom, by utilizing these kind of system that is accessible for everyone. So make sure you go ahead and sign up for a credit card, and don't go crazy with it. If you are spending more on your credit card, more than you topping it up, then I wouldn't recommend for you to use credit cards. If you know you're good at budgeting, make sure you take advantage of this. My e-commerce business, for all of my expenses, I use my credit card. You can just imagine if I'm spending so much on ads and cost of goods, that adds up. So for example, I think for every $75 I spend, I get $1 back. So imagine how much I can accumulate in 1 month, okay? A lot of people are scared of credit cards because of the debts and the interest that you can get from it, but that's fine. But don't be scared as long as you can budget really well. And once you have a credit card, you're gonna change your mindset and mentality when you're spending. Instead of thinking, oh, I'm gonna spend this much, you're actually thinking of, oh, I'm gonna get $5 if I spend, I don't know, $300 on equipments or some kind of investments, okay? It's always good to use your credit card for any expenses because you get rewarded for it. Anyways, if you don't have credit card, make sure you do your research for your country. Wherever you are in the world, there should be some kind of reward points. Most of the credit cards around the world have some kind of cashback, but now this is one of the easiest way, like I said previously, for a passive income method. If you want to travel around the world, do your research on credit cards. The more you spend, the more money you will get, obviously, especially if you're running a business.